Hi friends, hope you're all doing well. I have Grover here with me again, and he wanted to hear an Elephant and Piggy book. And I know you guys like those too. So we're going to read There Is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. You can nose if you've heard this one before. There is a bird on your head. There was an exclamation point, so I had to say it like that. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Do you see in there? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. He doesn't look so happy about that. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have some good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Oh no, now where are those birds? Let's see if you can find the pigeon on this page. Do you see which nest has him? That is a very silly book. I hope you guys liked it. See you later.